In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with your Google Calendar, a real time saver in managing your work schedule. We'll walk through these steps together to ensure your Slack status accurately reflects your availability based on your calendar events. Let's get started. First, make your way to your Slack workspace. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This will take us into the section where all our integrated tools live. Next, select Add Apps to open up the app directory, your gateway to a wide variety of tools that complement Slack's functionality. Now type Google Calendar into the search bar. This is the app we're looking to add today. After you've found Google Calendar in the search results, click Add. This brings up a new window with the button Add to Slack, which you'll also click. With that done, you'll be prompted to allow access. Just hit Allow, and this grants Google Calendar the necessary permissions to work with Slack. Now it's time to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure it's the one associated with the calendar you actively use. Once selected, you can click on Continue. At this stage, Slack will ask you to select what it can access. This fine-tuning is important if you're concerned about privacy or just want specific functionalities enabled. After your selections, hit Continue once more to proceed. With Google Calendar successfully integrated into Slack, we can now focus on updating your status automatically. Click on your Slack avatar located at the bottom left of your Slack interface. From there, select Update your status. Here, look for the option under Automatically Updates and select In a Meeting based on your Google Calendar. When you choose this setting, a dialog box will appear informing you that your calendar will now automatically update your status to In a Meeting at the start of your calendar events and clear it once they end. This feature helps keep your colleagues informed of your current state without any additional effort on your part. Once you're satisfied with these changes, click on Turn On to activate this feature. And there you have it, you've successfully synced your Slack status with Google Calendar. Now your availability on Slack will be accurately mirrored to your scheduled events with minimal manual input. I hope this not only saves you time but also enhances your productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out other tips and tricks for optimizing your work tools.